We start by opening an existing project or creating a new project in TIA Portal. From the Portal View page, select Devices and Networks. Choose the radio button next to Add New Device. The Add New Device window opens. Here you can name your device and choose the type of device you need. In this case, we're choosing a controller. When the controller selection window opens, choose the type of controller you wish to add and expand the selection. In this case, we'll use S7-1500. Expand the CPU listing and choose the Unspecified CPU listing. Highlight the part number and select the version that matches the existing device. Click the Add button to add the device to the project. TIA Portal changes to the project view with the unspecified CPU inserted into the project. A pop-up will appear asking you to specify the device type from the hardware catalog or by detecting a connected device to upload the configuration. In this case, we'll click the Detect option. The hardware detection window opens, and you can select the proper protocol for communicating with your device. Select the Start Search button, and the search returns results. There could be multiple devices detected. Select the device you wish to configure in the project, and click the Detect button. The device configuration is inserted into the project.